Hello DCT family, hope you're all doing amazing. We've been getting tons of questions about this offline, so today we're revealing some AI hacks to supercharge your pharmaceutical science journey. And before you ask, no, it's not about plagiarism or lazy essay writing. We're tapping into AI's creative muscle so you can understand, retain, and apply new concepts. Whether you're just starting out in your undergrad pharma courses, deep into a graduate level research project, or navigating your professional career, one thing stays the same. You need a lifelong learning mindset to keep up. Fortunately, AI can be your sidekick at every stage. So without any further ado, let's dive right in to explore how you can make AI work for your unique journey. The AI we are referring to here is what is termed generative AI or Gen AI, which are systems trained on massive data sets of text, images, code, etc. So they can create brand new content in response to your requests rather than just retrieve existing items. There are many generative AI models out there. ChatGPT is the most familiar, but plenty of others exist. Think of them like different car brands. Once you know how to drive one, you can easily hop into another with only minor adjustments. We talk to Gen AI by typing in prompts, that is, clear natural language instructions or questions that tell the model what you want. We are going to share 5 prompting techniques that will help you make the most out of Gen AI in your journey. One of the most powerful tricks educators use is the metaphor, comparing a new concept to something you already know. AI can generate an endless stream of metaphors to help you grasp difficult ideas. Whether you're trying to cement your own understanding or craft the perfect pitch for an audience, here's how to make the most of metaphors. Don't settle for the first metaphor AI gives you. AI's first metaphor might be solid, but why settle? Ask for 3 or 4 alternatives and pick the one that resonates most. Anchor in what you know best. Tell the AI about your hobbies, your favorite sports, or your go-to video game. You can get better metaphors by using things you know very well and ask AI to explain through them. Another way to get better outcome from Gen AI is by specifying personas. This can be a persona you want the AI to take, or what is termed role persona, like a friendly pharmaceutics TA, or a senior regulatory consultant, or a persona you want the AI to generate the outcome to, an audience persona, whether that's a first-year undergrad, a 5-year-old, or a regulatory affairs manager. You can combine role and audience into one prompt to even get better outcomes. An example prompt of this is, you're a biotech startup founder. Pitch this drug delivery concept to angel investors. Never underestimate AI's critical power. It's like having a personal mentor, brainstorming partner, and critical reviewer all rolled into one. You can use AI to get tailored feedback on your drafts, clarifying weak arguments, catching grammar slips, or suggesting richer examples. Also, ask it to uncover multiple perspectives on a challenging question or to play devil's advocate with your experimental design. It can even stress test your project plans or scientific puzzles so you're ready for tough questions. You can go back and forth with it in that critical thinking mode and get your perspective widened. In other words, now you can have a go-to collaborator at your fingertips. One of the coolest things about today's Gen AI models is their multimodal smarts. You can chat by text, speak out loud, or even show them a picture. Need dinner inspiration after a long day? Snap your fridge contents and ask, "What can I make tonight?" Want to know how to access a certain feature or function of a lab instrument? Take a photo of the instrument and preferably with the brand and model visible and say, "How do I get mode X on this?" Chances are the AI will pull from online manuals to guide you step by step. And when you're looking for a fun family activity, simply show what's on your coffee table and ask for a creative game idea. With text, voice, or images, AI can turn whatever you've got into an instant, context-aware helper, and the examples are endless with this one. Active recall is king, and that's why teaching others helps you learn best. With generative AI, you can supercharge your recall practice in a few simple ways. Ask it to generate targeted flashcards, build custom quizzes, or even run a flipped interaction where it asks you a question, waits for your response, then gives feedback before moving on. To keep the AI grounded in your material and avoid hallucinations, the AI's oops moments when it invents plausible sounding but incorrect info, upload your own notes or documents and instruct it to rely only on that content when crafting questions and answers. Also, watch out for tokens, the small bits of text, words, word fragments, or punctuation that make up your prompt and its reply. Models can only process a limited number of tokens at once, so if your file is too large, split it into smaller chunks to ensure accurate, complete practice sessions. So we've highlighted 5 key techniques to get the most out of generative AI. Using metaphors, prompt engineering via personas, critical feedback mode, multimodal prompting, and practicing your active recall. Before concluding this video, remember that these AI tools are still in their infancy. Don't be afraid to explore. Try unusual prompts. Mix and match features. Discover new workflows that fit your brain. And most importantly, AI is a tool. It amplifies your creativity and curiosity. The more you know, the more sophisticated your AI prompts become. For instance, asking, "Perform a SWOT analysis of my study plan," or "Help me craft STAR method interview responses," will instantly tap into those frameworks, provided you know what SWOT and STAR stand for. If you don't, you'll spend extra time iterating prompts just to get the same focused insight. That's it for today's dive into using AI for leveraging your farm journey. Let me know in the comments which strategy you have used or will use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip from Dr.ceutica. Till next time, as always, stay fabulous wherever you are.